Hey Lola, this is Larry Powell with Top Shelf Growth. Kimberly called and talked to you yesterday. I'm sorry for the delay in getting this video out to you. My kids have been home. Their school closed due to COVID for the last, well, it's been almost a week now, but having a 1-year-old and a 3-year-old running around all day long. It's been hard to get this video done, so I'm having some time this evening to get it wrapped up, so I wanted to get this sent over to you as soon as possible. So this video is going to outline how you can generate more leads for your business utilizing your website. There's a couple things we're going to really focus on in this video. The first one is content. The next one is backlinks, and the third one is citations. And each one of these things are very important to generating more leads for your business utilizing your website. And we'll kind of go into more in depth what each of these mean. We'll look at what the competition's doing and how you guys can pass them up in the rankings and generate more leads for your business. So first thing, looking at your guys' website, it's a great looking website. I can definitely tell you guys put some money into it. I love that you have the contact form up here at the top. Makes it super easy for customers to get a hold of you. I love this. This is huge. You'd be surprised how many businesses bury this contact form down near the bottom of the site, when in reality, people are really trying to find that business so they can get a hold of the fastest. And so having this up here so people can get a hold of you super fast is definitely a huge bonus. One thing I did definitely notice with your guys' website is that you guys are kind of lacking in content. Content is really king when it comes to getting a website to actually rank. I know you guys have like blog posts and stuff, but content on this actual homepage is really key. If you look at Wikipedia, right, great example. Wikipedia doesn't do anything to get their pages to rank. But if you were to search for, great example, blue cheese, right? Blue cheese on the internet, the first page you're going to find that comes up is going to be Wikipedia, because Wikipedia has so much information about blue cheese that it's ridiculous, right? And it's because they have content, right? Words on page. And what really happens here is Google, when somebody searches for, like a great example, Painter San Diego, right? When somebody searches for Painter San Diego, Google wants to put the best information out there possible related to Painter San Diego. They want to find the website that's going to have the best information, that's going to be able to really help that searcher find the answers to the questions they have, right? And so that's why content is king, okay? I really push people to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words 2,000 words of content on this homepage. Currently, you guys are sitting at, this is a website I use. I can put in the URL for your homepage, and you guys are currently sitting at 804 words, okay? And we're going to look at what your competition has here in just a moment, but I would highly recommend you guys increase the amount of content you guys have on this homepage. And with that content, really make sure you have the key terms or search terms you want to be found for in that content, right? So if we were to do Command F here, Painter San Diego. It's not found a single time on this homepage, right? This search term right here is getting, let's see here, Painter San Diego is getting 600 searches per month, right? And you guys are currently sitting at 7th for this search term, okay? Just by including this in your guys' content on this homepage and increasing the amount of content you guys actually have on this homepage can cause a huge jump, right? Being in the top spot for this search term can generate about 33% of that search traffic headed towards your guys' website. So just by including this into your guys' content and increasing the amount you guys have on here can have a huge increase in the amount of leads you guys have coming to your business by being in that top spot for Painter San Diego, okay? Looking at your guys' website, this is a tool I use called Ahrefs, okay? And what this allows me to kind of do is see the back end of your guys' website, what you guys are doing for search engine optimization or SEO, okay? And the biggest things we look at here are backlinks and referring domains. And the best way to describe what a backlink is, it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. You had the most popular kid in school, we'll call him website A, and you have the least popular kid in school, we'll call him website B, right? And the most popular kid in school is going to link himself to website B, or most website A is going to link himself to website B, and it's going to bring up the popularity of website B, right? And it's going to make website B look more popular in Google's eyes, and in turn is going to bring him up in the Google rankings. Okay, so you guys really want to focus on increasing the amount of backlinks you have, and in turn that's going to increase the amount of organic traffic you guys have coming towards your website, right? So again, we're looking at Painters San Diego, 600 searches per month. So looking at Painters San Diego, as we're going through the Google search results, we can see right here at the top, these are all paid ads. So these are all people paying Google to have their website listed at the top of the search results. And then we get the Google Maps listings, okay? So GMBs, Google My Business pages. The best way to rank these is going to be what's called citations. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number. There's some other factors that go into that also, but increasing the amount of citations you have compared to what your competition has is a big, huge factor. Another big factor in ranking your business into that is your organic ranking. So where your business sits organically in the search results actually plays a huge factor in if you're going to be in this top 3 or not, right? So looking at the organic search results, we see Yelp first. That's actually a great sign. Google really prefers to rank the mom and pop shops or the small businesses over these large national directory sites because, again, they're looking for relevant content, right? And then we see Wow One Day. So that's the first one we're going to be looking at here. We're going to take a look at their website and see what they have going on, okay? Looking at their website, they have a great website, decent amount of content on here, nothing over the top though, right? Looking at the number of words or number of words of content they have, they have 2,000 words of content, right? So for you guys, if you guys were to go 2,500 words of content, you want to beat your competition out in every way possible. 2,500 words of content on here, you would definitely see some huge ranking increases just by increasing that amount of content you have on your homepage, right? And again, making sure you have these search terms you actually want to be found for in your content. Now, looking at your overall profile here for backlinks and referring domains compared to what the competition has, we can see 694, 331. We can come over here. Should have got this teed up already. So we can see they have quite a bit, right? So what's interesting about this is we're actually focused not only on this overall website as a whole, right? So this is Wow One Day. They have locations all over the place, but they're also getting a super powerful backlink coming from this main URL coming to their individual location page, right? Just for San Diego. So passing up these guys with the amount of backlinks you guys have, if you guys were to point some super powerful backlinks at your guys' website, there is no reason why you guys shouldn't be able to pass these guys up, right? And increase the amount of traffic you guys have. This is for one location page. They're getting 431 searches per month. This is huge for you guys. Focusing on, Painters San Diego, right? San Diego Painting Company, another 100 searches per month. You guys are currently sitting at 32nd for this, right? The Painting Company San Diego, you guys, another 50 searches per month. San Diego Painting Contractors, another 100 searches per month. There's a ton of opportunity here for you guys to increase the amount of traffic you guys have headed towards your website. With some simple tweaks, you guys could definitely see an increase in the amount of customers you guys have coming in. So I hope you got some information out of this that is helpful to you guys. Sorry it's late. I'm slurring my words here. I hope you got some valuable information out of this. If you're looking for someone to help you out with any of this stuff, definitely feel free to give me a call. My cell phone number is 541-968-7159. I'm also going to shoot this over to you in an email, so feel free to reply back that way as well if you have any questions or love to discuss any of this stuff. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope to hear from you soon.